we'll guide you through how to stay updated on ClickUp news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go directly to ClickUp's official website. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down to the footer where you'll find a section labeled Company. Here, click on Blog to access the latest articles and updates directly from ClickUp. This blog is regularly updated with news, feature releases, and productivity tips. Next, go back to the Company section in the footer and click on What's New. This page is specifically designed to keep you informed about recent feature updates and improvements in ClickUp. It's a great way to see what new tools and enhancements are available in your ClickUp workspace. Additionally, consider subscribing to their newsletter. On the blog page, you can find options to enter your email to receive regular updates directly in your inbox. This way, you won't miss out on any important announcements. Another effective way to stay informed is by following ClickUp on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. They frequently post updates, tips, and community stories that can keep you in the loop. Lastly, joining ClickUp's user community forums can provide insights and discussions about the latest trends and news. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to stay updated on everything ClickUp has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.